Let's do this. Hi you guys, welcome back to DiondraJ, K and K. My name is Diondra, and today we are going to be looking at me try and jump back into learning Korean because I just graduated, if you did not know, and I've been studying Korean in person for 4 years, and honestly, taking a break from learning ruins it ruins you. No, but you should really keep up with it because I'm starting to really feel the repercussions of not studying. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to open back up my Rosetta Stone. Yes, I had Rosetta Stone. I was gifted Rosetta Stone back in 2016 as a graduation gift. Haven't used it very much. I'm still on the first level because as soon as I got into college, I took Korean courses. I got annoyed because a lot of this stuff just it's very redundant. They keep doing the same things, and it makes sense. They want you to really understand and have it ingrained into your brain what each word is, what each sound sounds like, what each word sounds like, what each letter sounds like. But it's annoying, so I stopped using it. But this is what we're gonna do to hold myself accountable. So I'm gonna come on to this YouTube channel. I'm going to take you guys through the process of me learning Korean through Rosetta Stone because I need to hold myself accountable, and I feel like this is the only way I can do it. So yeah, we're gonna just jump right in. My first time doing this, I just went with a recommended, and I'm probably gonna just do it again. But to be honest, going through 4 years of learning Korean, I suck at speaking and writing. I suck at it. I really want to strengthen that, but I feel like I need the whole package. So we're gonna just go through this again. If I seem a little like blah, I'm tired. I'm very tired. This whole day today, I've been trying to screen record on my old computer because I have a CD drive on my old computer. So that's great, and not my new computer. So I'm very tired, guys. It's like 12 a.m. and I know a lot of people can stay up at 12 a.m., but I can't because I've been waking up super early, and now my whole sleeping arrangement, you guys didn't ask for this. I don't know. You guys didn't ask for my explanation on why I'm so tired and blah right now, but I'm giving it to you. So there you go. So I'm thinking that I'm only going to do about 10 minutes each episode of me recording my Korean learning because I don't know if anybody wants to sit here and actually watch me learn. Guys, I'm so tired.
안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
Hold on. 안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
Okay, let me turn this down. Jesus. Hold on.
여자아이.
See,
남자아이. 여자아이.
okay, this is overwhelming now. I know this, but there's some gaps in my knowledge, and I don't know some of these things. Now, yoja, namja, I know that. But there's some things, and sorry if I keep looking at the viewfinder, guys. There's some things that I don't know. Like shinmun, I learned that that's newspaper through Rosetta Stone. So I know that there's going to be plenty of those, and I don't want to come across it later, and then I'm cheating by looking up a noun or whatever, looking up a word on Papago and then coming back to here to finish it because I need vocabulary work. I need work. So
just answer the question, okay? Please don't play with me right now.
But anyway, let's go on with this. All right, so we have yoja ai. So that's a girl. So we're going to pick the girl.
남자아이.
Okay. Sorry, I am trying to up the volume. Okay, so namja, we got a boy. Okay. Oh, so I just picked the juice, right? See, and then I feel stupid because it's like, duh, pick the juice.
주스, 차.
Oh my god, I'm tired. All right, child, we have tea. It's like this could be tea. You can't tell me that's not brown like tea. But obviously, like there's a teacup. I'm looking into this
차,
too hard.
물,
Mul, water.
물.
If you want to have Rosetta Stone pick up your voice, you want to go through a good mic, and the one that they send you is not that great. So there's that. All right, so back to this. It says 남자아이가 밥을 먹어요. All right, so the boy eats rice. Oh, the boy eats food. Rice.
남자아이가 물을 마셔요.
Guys, pop means rice too, right? Please, this is the beauty of actually filming me go through this because you guys can tell me. Okay, 남자아이가 물을 마셔요. The boy drinks water. You guys are gonna help me through this.
여자아이,
여자아이. Hey.
여자아이.
Let's go.
남자아이.
Okay. 남자아이.
남자아이.
If we have some native Korean speakers, please tell me if I sound like a robot, because my friend told me I did.
주스를 마셔요.
여자아이가 주스를 마셔요. She really tried
여자아이가
it.
주스를 마셔요. 남자아이가 물을 마셔요.
남자아이가 물을 마셔요. Yeah, I heard myself mess up there.
물을 마셔요.
마셔요. 마셔요?
여자아이가 밥을
마셔요.
먹어요.
여자아이가 밥을 먹어요.
여자아이가 밥을 먹어요.
I feel like my speed was off.
남자아이가 밥을 먹어요.
남자아이가 밥을 먹어요. 8. I'm treating this like a game.
남자, 여자.
Okay, pick the girl. Oh, she's pretty. Yes, come through.
남자.
Very pretty skin. Oh, I'm supposed to pick the boy. Okay. I need something else, guys. I need more.
여자.
여자.
여자. 남자.
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 Okay. Oh, does it go to 10? Okay, so it shows you the next thing that we're on. Perfect. Before I didn't see this. I didn't see this little bar down here. Oh my god, I could have skipped this whole time, bro. Yo, guys, like I'm telling you, when I was actually using this, I didn't know I could skip. And every single time, like I got a new computer. I started all the way from the beginning because I didn't know I could skip. And now I can skip. Am I gonna skip though? I feel like I can do this. I'm gonna at least try and hit 20. I'm gonna hit 20. If I feel like this is too easy, then in the next episode of this Learn Korean with Me Learn Korean with me, watch me learn Korean through Rosetta Stone. The next episode of this part 2, I'm going to just skip because your girl already has a good foundation. 달려요. I've always had an issue saying 달려요. 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 달 or tal. And is it 달요? 달려요? Like yo-yo? It's not obviously that's like yo and then yo. But like 달려요. That's hard. Okay, anyway. 여자아이가 달려요. Okay, the little girl is running. That kind of, never mind.
남자아이가 달려요.
Okay, the boy is running.
여자가 달려요.
여자가 달려요. 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 Okay, they're going to test me on this. Okay, so the lady's running. I know y'all don't want to see me go through all these blunders and stuff. Okay. Let me know down in the comments, like, how far you are in Korean. Let me know if you guys have Rosetta Stone. It doesn't have to be Korean Rosetta Stone. Let me know if you have Rosetta Stone, period. 편지 is letter. That's 신문, and this is check. All right.
편지. 책.
Check.
책, 신문,
Shinmun.
신문,
Does anybody still receive Shinmun? Anybody?
편지, 책, 신문,
Shinmun.
신문,
Okay, I'm almost at 20. I am almost there, y'all. 여자가 차를 마셔요. She's pretty. Oh my god. See, and then I get distracted by the pictures because these are quality photos. Some of these are. Like, wow. Her hair is so pretty right here. Okay. Anyway. 여자가 차, which is tea, drinks. Yes.
여자가 신문을 읽어요.
The woman reads the newspaper. Okay, we're almost
여자가 밥을
we're
먹어요.
almost there. Okay, the woman eats food.
여자가 달려요.
Run. It's funny. I just pick out things now.
남자아이가 달려요.
Ooh, I gotta listen.
남자아이가 달려요.
Okay, the boy's running. Let's do speed.
여자아이가 물을 마셔요.
She's drinking water. Let's go.
여자아이들이 차를 마셔요.
The kids be drinking tea.
남자아이들이 밥을 먹어요.
The boys. Yeah. Guys, I'm not directly translating this. I just realized that they didn't go through, that's what I need to tell y'all. They don't go through grammar points. They don't explain grammar points in here. So if you guys, even though I didn't click the sound, like the check box, it doesn't go through grammar points. It goes over sounds and letters. If you are trying to learn Korean, this is the biggest advice I can give you. Go through grammar points, because 남자 is boy, but when you put 둘이 at the end of it, that means more than one. So, that's your like plural, if you will. So, if you will, it is. So, yeah, go over grammar points, guys, because this could trip you up, and it tripped me up when I first opened it. Rosetta Stone, and then I took my actual Korean classes, and it cleared up a lot for me. But yeah, so you're gonna have to do that on your own. Okay, so moving on. So the girl is running, so look at that. There we go.
여자아이가 달려요.
We're almost done with 20, and then we'll be done for this episode. I'm happy because I get to sleep. Okay, so let's see. But I'm also learning, and that's important. Okay, so the girls. Yes. All right, guys. So that's it. Dipping my toe back into learning Korean by myself, because I've been studying Korean for 4 years through college. So I'm going back in to doing this all on my own. If you haven't seen my studying tips video, I show you guys my whole binder. I show you how I studied by myself before I got into college. And Rosetta Stone was an essential part to that, but yeah, it was a whole process. So I'm coming back into this world because I have to, I plan to really travel. I really do. Once this virus is over with, like, I'm gone. That was it for me going over my Korean lesson for the day. Let me know down below if you guys enjoyed that. If you didn't, then gonna also say that this wasn't for you, but for those who actually enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. Let me know where you're at in your Korean learning journey. Let me know if you're learning any other languages other than Korean. Low-key though, I'm thinking about taking on Japanese, but to be honest, like, that's in my far future. Only because, like, I want to, travel to Japan, and I don't want to go not knowing anything. So anyway, guys, let me know how you guys felt about this video. I'm going to be doing a part 2, and I'm probably going to skip through because I already know the basics, and there's that. But I don't want to miss any vocabulary. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.